thought it would be better, but it's not. So I'm saving your life right here. So you don't waste your time, don't waste your money. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a ponytail on this hair. So if you want to see this video, make sure you guys stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So I'm gonna be listing the products that I'm gonna be using, but before, let's just do a little review on this product I found at Amazon, the ponytail. So this is the product. It's called Seikea. So if I pronounce it wrong, but this is the product. It's called Seikea. So it's spelled S-E-I-K-E-A. So Seikea. And then I'm gonna open it. This is the first time using this product. I need a scissors. So I'm gonna open it so you guys can see what's in the bag. Yeah. I'm gonna also leave a link so to show you guys how to find it on Amazon, and the review. It have a really mixed review on Amazon, but mostly good. So this is the hair. This is so it comes with a little spray bottle. That fell. It comes with a comb, so that's handy. And then this is the hair. So as I said, it's called Seikea. It's a clip-in ponytail extension, and it wraps around long straight ponytail hair, and it's 28-inch and it's synthetic hair. In the packaging, it also came with a pamphlet telling you how to care for the hair, how much heat you can apply to the hair, and how to install the ponytail. As you can see at the side to your right, you can see I'm showing you exactly what's on Amazon. That's the same thing that's in the pamphlet. It also came with pins to make sure that you secure the ponytail. And then you have a little rubber band. Now I'm gonna show you the reviews. So it was a lot of mixed reviews. Some people gave it 5 stars, some people gave it 1 star. Right here I'm just separating my hair and moisturizing it with the water, so it's easier to handle when I'm trying to get it in one to do the ponytail. So let's get into the product that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using my Jam Murray Edge Control, a brush, the hard brush, and then I'm going to be using the white toothbrush. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put all my hair up in one. just put this on and we're gonna see how it looks. So they said to use this pin right here and just put it onto your hair. I don't want to do it straight back, I want to do it sideways. So I'm gonna do that. Then you want to use this the tie, and then you want to just put it around. Hold on. The pin right here. Okay. So hey guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna give you guys my final review of the product. I'm gonna just take off the head tie. So overall, this product is trash. Seriously trash. Don't waste your money on this. I know it's $9, but it's still your money, your hard working money. It doesn't worth anything. It tangles up super fast. It sheds a lot, and I only have it in for what, an hour or less, and it's super tangled. I can show you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is super tangled up. I really don't like it. It doesn't match the texture of my hair either. So yeah, it doesn't. Maybe if I got like a different texture where it's curly or like afro, it will match my hair texture. But normally, like some synthetic hair, it doesn't mat up so quickly, and this one, you take it out the package and it's like already it's useless. So please don't waste your money with this hair. And I guess that's my final review of this product. I don't like it, none at all. Like when I took it out the packaging, I thought that it would be really nice. I expected it to be much better than this, because on Amazon it had a lot of good reviews. It had some bad reviews also, but it had more good reviews than bad reviews. And the way how they package the product, it was the packaging, I will give it a 5 out of 5. The packaging was really good, but the product itself was horrible. So don't waste your money on this product. I thought it would be better, but it's not. So I'm saving your life right here. So you don't waste your time, don't waste your money. So if you guys like this video, share it, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.